Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix hololive dreams game not working or not launching, not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen, not loading, keep stopping, not working, black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your device restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can go to mobile data, or even you can enable airplane mode for some time and again disable airplane mode, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to force stop the games. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. Here you have to click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, hold the game icon, go to the app info, click on storage, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now go back, launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for hololive dreams game, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check. If you cannot play the game or cannot install it, you can install a VPN app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get several VPN apps. Install any one of it. After that, log into it. After logging to it, change the location and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to the settings of your phone, click on system update, and here you will get if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if there is less space on your phone. So for that, you have to go to settings. After that, here you have to click on RAM and storage. After that, check if there is less space on your phone. If yes, then you have to delete some unused apps or games or content, make some space, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. After removing the game from your device, you have to go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and again click on the install option, and once you reinstall the game on your device, try to play it and check whether the game is opening or launching or not. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you.